Hey filmmaker, Chung here. Here we have the Saramonic Blink500 B2. This is a lavalier or a wireless lavalier set, which is super small, and we have double transmitter with a single receiver, which makes it really useful for doing interviews, especially if you are going to a trade show or basically doing a lot of street interviews or interviews where you just want to have like a small setup. Even if you are vlogging and you are going traveling and you want to mic up multiple people talking about things and not have like a big like wireless kit with you. And this is a more ideal small tiny set. So let's look what is inside of this box. So we have here set up our top shot. So let's open this box. So opening this box, we slide this open. Very nice looking box over here, and this looks really nice. Let's open this. Wow, this looks like a really nice high quality packaging. So here we have the sets. We have this receiver, double transmitter. So I have here a small box, and actually we do get like a lot of extra accessories with this. So let's open this here. So let's see, we get like a lot of cables, it seems. USB Type-C. Okay, we have tons of cables here. So we have two USB Type-Cs to update or recharge your units with. We have two cables here. So we have a TRS and a TRRS, so we can connect this to your camera or connect this to your phone. So that is also useful if you do mobile vlogging. Yeah, for their mobile they also have a different set, but you could use this set also for your mobile phone. And here we have two clip mics. So if some of you guys have seen me already testing the Blink500 at BIR TV, I need to test if these are the same clip mics that they use, because the clip mics that they use at BIR TV didn't sound that great. So maybe these final versions that might be better. So we have to test this sound out and see how they sound. So let's see what else we have. So yeah, that was it. So we have the units here. So we have here on the side, we have a mic in, we have the Type-C ports to recharge, and we have here on top the on-off button. Here on the side we have the line out to your camera or to your phone. Here we have the volume control and also the pair button. And on the back we have a clip, and this clip is compatible to a hot shoe, but this clip isn't. This clip is actually bigger for on your body. So size wise these are bigger than your Rode Wireless Go, but personally these are still tiny. So the price of actually buying these this double set should be around the same as buying a single set from the Rode Wireless Go. And yeah, this is very interesting set. So let's actually try this out on my Sony a7R II, so we guys can actually listen and hear how the sound actually sounds like. So one thing I need to clarify, this Saramonic shirt, I'm not sponsored nor Saramonic ambassador. I just scored this shirt when I got this. So the main thing is, yeah, we are now testing the clip mic that actually came in the box at BIR TV. The clip mic didn't sound that good. Maybe this clip mic from the final version that is sold is better. And yeah, we have it now set on I think volume 4. So from all the way to 0 I clipped plus sign 4 times, and this should be at a good volume. And yeah, let's now go to just the Blink500 without the clip mic. So I'm now using the Saramonic Blink500 without the clip mic. So this is how it sounds. Yeah, it's still, you need to probably test out the volume of this. So I've now put it onto, I think it's a good amount of volume for this. And yeah, the main thing is the sound should sound pretty good without the clip mic. I'm not quite sure how the clip mic actually is, but you guys can judge and comment below yeah, what you guys think of the sound. But yeah, you can also, of course, always use a different clip mic if the clip mic that comes with it isn't that good. Still, it's quite nice that they give you a clip mic, because the Wireless Go actually is just the unit alone and you need to buy a clip mic still. But yeah, if the clip mics that come with the box isn't that good, still this unit on its own still sounds nice. And the thing is, how the sound actually is, if you use double of these, it's not like one goes to one channel. It's basically both is already on both of the channels, so you don't have to mix in the post. But it might actually be nice if you had the option of choosing it being left and right. Other detail or information about this set is the battery goes for 6 hours, and the maximum distance you can use it is 50 meters. These are still quite small units, so it doesn't get like that big of a reach. However, for most interviews, you don't think you would ever put your camera 50 meters from the people you are interviewing. And yeah, for vlogging it should be enough. I rarely put my camera so far away from myself. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below and the bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.